everyone, it's Stacey from the YMCA. Today we're going to be making veggie and dip cups from our Healthy Schools, Healthy Communities curriculum developed by the Michigan Fitness Foundation. As you can see, I have a rainbow of colors in front of me today. We always want to make sure we have a colorful plate filled with fruits and vegetables. Today's snack is super easy. All you're going to do is take a big spoonful of hummus, add it to the bottom of a cup or bowl. Then we're going to add our delicious vegetables. We're going to start by some crunchy orange carrots, green celery, and my personal favorite, sweet and juicy red peppers. Then all you have to do is pick your favorite one to start with, take a dip, and enjoy. I hope you guys like this recipe as much as I do. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!